First off the line, football. Random divisional break. Appreciate you guys all joining. Let's rock and roll once again. All right. Start things off with a Jimmy Garoppolo, Niners. Mason Rudolph, Steelers. And a Travis Kelce. That's for the AFC West. Orange number 249. Gardner Minshew and Russell Wilson. Thanks, buddy. Next up, N'Keal Harry, AFC East. Also, Sam Darnold, AFC East. AFC East, Christian Wilkins. That's number 2/199, red, white, and blue. And a Ty Johnson as NFC North, Lions. This is the orange pulsar going to Jameson. That is 5/11 with a Nick Bosa, Niners. Next up, DK Metcalf, Seahawks. David Montgomery, Chicago Bears. Dak Prescott. That is number 2/175, blue checkerboard for the NFC East. And number 2/25. It'd be two-color tie-dye patch of TJ Hawkinson, Lions, NFC North. With a Gardner Minshew, snapshots. Next up, Dan Marino. Kenny Galladay. That's a nice piece right there. NFC East. It is Daniel Jones. Rookie selection tie-dye. Going to Manning Tebow fan. Numbered 15/25. And then we have a D.D. Westbrook. Numbered 2/99 autograph. Jaguars AFC South. Going to AJ. The Michael Thomas NFC South. All right, and last back has the Pulsar patch autograph in it. Chase Winovich, Patriots. Baker Mayfield, Browns. A.J. Brown goes to the AFC South. Titans number 189. And for the NFC North, Pulsar patch autograph, three-color, David Montgomery. That is for Jameson. Chicago Bears. Nice piece there. Second patch that you have gotten so far in box number 1. We'll finish with a Christian Wilkins, Dolphins. All right, box number 2, round 2. What's up, KCT? What's good? What's good? Benny Snell, Steelers. Devontae Adams. Christian McCaffrey, Panthers. We have a Dalvin Cook. And Aaron Rodgers, snapshots, NFC North. Fletcher Cox, Eagles. Quinnen Williams for the Jets. A Cole Holcomb, Washington Redskins. Blue checkerboard, number 2/175, NFC East. And Devin White is the Pulsar rookie, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. The Tampa Bay Brady's. That is number 2/11, the NFC South, and a Daniel Jones, Giants, rookie. A.J. Brown, Titans. C.J. Mosley for the Jets. Chase Winovich, number 199, Patriots, AFC East. And Evan Ingram, number 299 for the NFC East. New York Giants, jersey. And TJ Hawkinson. Rookie selections, Lions. Johnny Unitas, Colts. Juju Smith-Schuster. We have a Keenan Allen. The blue die cut for the AFC West, number 299. And Washington Redskins, Montez Sweat. Maroon signatures for the NFC East. a Marquise Hollywood Brown snapshots. All right, and Damian Harris, Patriots. Alexander Madison, Vikings. Devin Bush. That is number 299, and we got a nice piece right here. Let's see who's got on AFC West. Nike 50/50. 21 of 23. Pulsar patch autograph. Drew Lock. Nicely done, buddy. That's a nice piece right there. That's like the 4th or 5th of that card that we've pulled. And Keenan Allen also for the AFC West. All right. Best thing so far today out of Select. Nice one right there. All right, and box number 3. We've got Alexander Madison, Vikings, Bobby Wagner, Seahawks, Dwayne Haskins. That is the white border. That was Drew Lock, yes. That was Drew Lock. That is numbered 14 of 35 for the NFC East. Deshaun Watson and then Marquise Brown. Next up we have Jerry Tillery, Chargers. Brian Burns, Panthers. Quinnen Williams. That is Jets, number 275. Purple die cut, and then this is a nice piece. DK Metcalf. Goes to the NFC West. That's for Mark. Pulsar, numbered 1 of 11. And Cleveland Farrell, AFC West. Starting to heat up a little bit now. Starting to heat up a little bit. Should be a patch in this one. Another Dwayne Haskins. Darrell Henderson, rookie. Oh, I like that. Sean Taylor. I like that. Number to 199. NFC East. And then a Mason Rudolph. 1 color napkin. Tie-dye patch. Goes to the AFC North. 5 wide. The Philip Lindsay snapshots. All right, looks like we got Panini rewards coming up here. All right, Pat Mahomes, Darren Waller, Derek Thomas for the AFC West, red parallel. This is number 299, and there it is, 250. Panini rewards points. I'll random that off at the end. And a Daniel Jones, Giants. All right, let's finish it. Pulsar patch autograph coming. Tim Boyle, NFC North. There's a Drew Lock. Go along with the patch autograph we just hit. AFC West. Ed Reed. That's for the AFC North, number 299. And another AFC West. 2 color, Noah Fant. Noah Fant. And we'll finish with David Montgomery. NFC North, Chicago Bears. All right, let me go ahead and random the Panini rewards. Okay, 250. Again, everybody's eligible for this. Randomize the list. Again, 11 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Nike 50/50. You get the 250 Panini Rewards points as well. All right, round 2 in the books, guys. Some solid stuff there, highlighted by the Drew Lock Pulsar patch autograph. Appreciate it, and I will get all this out ASAP.